Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving and click on charge. Here showing you fast charging. Enable fast charging. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your charger. After check charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more latest videos. Thanks for watching.